Join me as I take on the challenge to uncover Iran's hidden gems by car in just one day. Iran, a country known for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. But beneath its popular tourist attractions lies a treasure trove of secret spots, waiting to be discovered. Today, I'm excited to take you on a thrilling adventure to uncover some of Iran's most breathtaking hidden gems, all within the span of just one day. The challenge is on. With only 24 hours on the clock, we'll be racing against time to fit in as many secret spots as possible. It's not going to be easy, but I'm confident that with careful planning and a bit of luck, we can make it happen. The question is, where do we even start? Iran is a vast country, with a plethora of hidden gems scattered across its landscape. From ancient ruins to stunning natural wonders, the options are endless. One thing's for sure, we'll need to be strategic about our route, making the most of our limited time. We'll have to prioritize the most incredible spots, and be prepared to make some tough decisions along the way. But trust me, it'll all be worth it in the end, when we uncover some of Iran's most jaw-dropping secret spots. Our journey will take us through winding mountain roads, picturesque villages, and bustling city streets. We'll explore ancient castles, mystical forests, and majestic waterfalls, each one more breathtaking than the last. From the ancient city of Khorramabad to the stunning Leljan Valley, we'll cover a lot of ground in just one day. Our first stop is the ancient castle of Avan, nestled deep in the heart of the Alborz Mountains. This ancient fortress has been standing for centuries, its crumbling walls bearing witness to the countless battles and empires that have risen and fallen. As we explore the castle's labyrinth and corridors, you'll be struck by the sheer magnitude of its history. Next, we'll head to the mystical forest of Natsvan, where towering trees stretch towards the sky, their gnarled branches twisted and tangled in a mesmerizing dance. The forest floor is carpeted with a soft layer of leaves, and the air is alive with the sweet songs of birds and the soft rustle of leaves. It's a magical place, where time stands still and the stresses of everyday life melt away. After a quick lunch break, we'll make our way to the majestic waterfall of Margoon, where crystal-clear water cascades down a sheer rock face, creating a misty veil that rises into the air. The roar of the waterfall is deafening, and the cool mist on our skin is a welcome respite from the scorching summer sun. But the most breathtaking secret spot of all has to be the ancient city of Darak, hidden deep in the heart of the desert. This ancient metropolis has been abandoned for centuries, its crumbling buildings and streets reclaimed by the desert sands. As we explore the city's ancient ruins, you'll be struck by the sheer scale and majesty of this forgotten civilization. And that's a wrap, folks. We've done it. We've uncovered some of Iran's most incredible secret spots in just one day. From ancient castles to mystical forests, majestic waterfalls to abandoned cities, each location has left us in awe of this incredible country. Thanks for joining me on this epic adventure. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite hidden gem, or check out another video showcasing more adventures in Iran.